Hi everyone and welcome to Top Crypto. And in today's video, we're going to learn about what is Trust Wallet and how you can actually use it to make some passive income. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Trust Wallet? So Trust Wallet is the most trusted and secure crypto wallet which you can actually use to buy, store, collect NFTs, and exchange and earn different cryptos. And if you will download the app, you won't be alone because you will join to over 25 million people that are already using Trust Wallet. And it's an app that you can actually use very easily and you get a very easy access to cryptocurrencies. You can buy Bitcoin in under 5 minutes. You can exchange your crypto without leaving the app. You can easily earn interest on the crypto in your wallet. Okay, you can actually click in here and earn, and then you will be able to see that you can earn crypto while you sleep. So you can actually staking and putting your assets to work, and you can make interest rates as high as 11 APR, which is great because it's money that you get for not doing anything. It's just sitting there and you're making money about it, and they don't take a cut. You will get back all your stake crypto along with your profits, and you can actually start earning from the minute that you're putting. You will already see the interest growing and growing, and the process is not complicated at all. You will see that it's very easy to do. You can actually earn from those coins you see, so you don't have to have only VeChain, for example, but you have multiple options in here to stake, and you can actually stake with freedom because you are in the driving seat. You pick the project and you're actually choosing the asset that meets in the best way possible. And the process is very simple. You download your Trust Wallet, you deposit or buy crypto, and then you can start staking and earning while you're asleep. And in order to get started with Trust Wallet, as I said, you need to download the app to your phone, and I will show you how you do that very, very easily. You will see that it's very good not only for advanced in the crypto, but also people that are beginners, because it's an app that is very simple to function and you can do a lot of things instantly. For example, you can exchange instantly. You don't need to fill no forms, no selfies. You can trade crypto anytime with ease. You just choose what you want to trade, and this is mainly it. Okay, and you are the only person that can access your wallet, and they don't collect any personal data, so you can be sure that your information is your information and not anyone else. And also you can actually use DApps, meaning that you can use your favorite decentralized apps and find new ones without leaving the wallet, which is as I said, the process is as I said before. You just download the app, create a new wallet, and then you get some crypto. Of course, you don't need to download a new wallet every time you use your own wallet. When you download the app, so you can use it again and again. Now, about the DApps that I wanted to tell you, that you can actually trust DApp browser because it's fully functioning Web3 browser that can be used to interact with any decentralized application. And actually, it's integrate interface that is fully optimized for mobile, so you can actually enjoy the content designed specifically for your device. And as you can see that you can actually use the marketplace as well, and it's very unique, and you can work with literally any app that you want there, and it's very, very simple and straightforward. And in order to actually learn more about, for example, how you can use in Trust Wallet in your NFTs and how you can learn more, so you can or click here, or you can actually go down, as I said, as you saw in the footer, and then you get to this page. And as you can see that all the NFTs that you will have from the ERC 721 and ERC 1155, you can actually hold it in the same place, which is great because the more organized and in the least amount of places that you have your crypto assets, the better from organization perspective. And that way you will be able to also, if you see an opportunity to sell or to purchase something, you can do that very, very fast and very, very organized, because you see in front of your face what you have and what you don't have, and you don't need to do different calculations about what you have and what it's worth and stuff like that. And if you want to actually understand for a minute what is NFTs, so NFTs are non-fungible digital assets that are mostly referred to the ERC 721 and the ERC 1155 on Ethereum. And actually NFTs are one of a kind. Okay, they are unique or limited in quantity. So let's take, for example, Ethereum. So if I will let you, or I will transfer you one Ethereum, okay, like one Ethereum will be worth to another Ethereum, but in the other hand, NFT is a non-fungible token, so it's one of a kind and you cannot duplicate it. And this is the beauty of it, because when you hold it, so it's actually written that you are the owner of it, which is actually great. And that's why they usually, when you purchase an NFT, you need to put some details that they will know that you are the owners. Now, Trust Wallet provides an easy way to store and access all your crypto collectibles on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain with peace of mind and security. And in order to use the crypto collectibles that are secured in blockchain and associated with a public address, all you need to do is actually get into the app and get to the NFT section, and then you can actually get started. And by the way, if English is not the language that you speak the best, so you have multiple options to change the languages in here in order that it will be the most comfortable to use. Now let's jump into my phone and I will show you exactly how you can actually get started. Alright, so as you can see, I'm here on the Play Store, and currently I will search Trust Wallet, and then I will be able to download. As you can see, this is the app with the shield in here. So I click in here and then I will click on install, and then I will wait with you for a few seconds and then I will come back when it's finished. Alright, so currently it's finished to actually install, so open it. And as you can see, when I open it, so they actually give me the opportunity or to create a new wallet or to actually log in to a wallet that I have. So for this example, we'll create a new one, and then you need to go through the privacy policy and the terms of service. You will see it's not that long, and then after you read them, you click on I've read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you click on continue, and then you can actually enter your passcode. So just for this example, do 154238. Okay, shoot, I forgot. Now, as you can see, so I'm going to choose create a new wallet, and then I will choose a number. So let's choose, for example, 070998. Okay, and then we'll do 070998. Okay, and then after we actually did it, so we can actually choose to back up my wallet right now. So in the next step, actually see the secret phrase. Of course, that it's not my own wallet, but it's just the wallet for this example, and this will allow you to recover the wallet if you lose your secret phrase, and if you actually lose your phone or something like that, so you can open it from a different device. So you can actually need to read and make sure that you understand it, and then you click on continue, and then you can actually see all the different phrases, and then you can click on copy, and then you click on continue, and make sure that you don't share it with anyone else. Okay, and then you actually need to write it down somewhere in order that you will be able to remember which order it was. So I will show you just in a minute how you do that. And then I actually finish to do it properly, and then I click on done, and then after I clicked on done, so I have a wallet that it's successfully created. And from here I can actually enable or decide not to give the opportunity to push notifications. I choose for currently not to, and then as you can see, so I have different tokens that I can decide to purchase, and then I will see in the right in here, I will actually see how much I have and also the current price of the token. So for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or Smart Chain. Now, as you can see, I can click in here and actually send different cryptos. In here, I can receive different cryptos. I can buy in here, and also I can swap from different coins. So for example, if I have BNB and I want to swap to TWT, so I can actually choose it, and then I will be able to click on swap, and then I can also choose the different percentage. Now, also, if I would like, I can actually click on discover, and then I can search in here currently any token that I can use and what I can do. So for example, you can see here the option of staking. So I click on see all, and then I can see all the different tokens that I can do staking on, and I can see also DeFi tokens, and I can actually see which ones they're lending or borrowing opportunities, and also Smart Chain, the different opportunities in here. And also I have DeFi apps in here, so I can actually use. So for example, Uniswap exchange, I can click in here and then I can actually use them. Now, like in here, I have different apps, but in here I have the DApps. So I can actually find in here, as you can see, new DApps. I have DeFi in here, popular, smart chains, yield farming, for example, and games and exchanges and marketplaces and social and utility and staking. And in the setting, I can actually decide different things in here, so it will be more comfortable to use. So for example, dark mode or light mode, and also I can look in the security in here. So for example, in here, I can click on the security, and then they will want my fingerprint in here. But for example, and then I can actually make sure that it's working properly. Also, I can put price alerts. So if a specific alert is coming, so I can actually choose that it will alert me when a significant price changes of my favorite cryptocurrencies. And when to click it on, I can just click on it. And also, if you have any questions, you can actually join their communities right in here on the Reddit, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, and their help center, and on YouTube. And actually, you can ask any question that you have, and they're very passionate to help as much as possible. Now, in here on wallets, you can actually add wallets in here, as you can see on the the right, I can click on the plus sign. Wait a minute, I'll show you how it works. So I can click in here on the plus sign, and then I can create a new wallet in here, and I can organize the different wallet in here. And also I have the wallet connect in here, and I can actually connect with scan. And also I can have in here the wallet connect, so I can click in here, and then I can choose to use my camera and actually scan. Now after that, I can actually decide what to do if I want to enable this option, so I just do that. And also I can click on preferences, and I can choose like to change the different currencies. So for example, if I'm from Europe and I want to do that in euro, so I can see the currencies in euro or in different currencies. And this is mainly it. If you want to send, as I said, you just choose after you buy different currency what to do. And if you want to click on receive, you click on the coin, and then you can actually scan it and copy it and send it to the person that will actually be able to send it to you, because you send them the address. So good luck, and I will see you in my computer in a second. So for summary, if you want to get started with Trust Wallet absolutely for free, all you need to do is to download the app to your phone, and you will be able to use that easily, whether it's to buy, whether it's to sell, whether it's to receive, and also to make passive income and much more from crypto, and also transfer or purchase different NFTs. Make sure to do that, and you will see that it's very simple to use as I showed you in the video, and also you will see that it's very easy to function. So make sure that if you have any questions, as I said, go to the bottom of the website, and actually you will be able to see their different social medias and ask them any questions that you like. And also if you want to stay up to date about different apps, about the DApp browser, and also have different questions, you can click on the community or the help center or the support, and you will receive answers about your questions. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Top Crypto channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.